Hey, thank you for clicking the link and checking this out. I know you're super busy this time of the year with the holidays coming up, but obviously you're looking for a way to control your weight, maybe lose some weight. A lot of us have yo-yo diet, lost some weight, gained some weight, lose some weight, gain some weight, can fit in your clothes, can't fit in your clothes. It's very frustrating. And a lot of times there's medical issues. Maybe you're diabetic, maybe you're pre-diabetic, maybe you have heart issues, maybe you have Alzheimer's risk in your family. There's ways to overcome these things through the proper nutrition, proper movement, and the proper mindset, and I can help you with that. What I've discovered recently just blew my mind. I've been a personal trainer for 12 years and I did not know this one simple secret that can actually take care of your weight. It's not a supplement, not a gimmick, just real natural foods. I did this program myself with my husband. I lost 8 pounds in 10 days and it just blew my mind. I didn't have to go to the gym and work out hard. I didn't have to starve myself or do any fasting, and I want to share this information with you as well. It's a real game changer for you. And we have 3 dates coming up in December. Before the new year, you can kickstart your weight loss resolutions now. Why wait? Your best thinking got you here and your body's waiting for you to take care of it. So join us. December 4th is in Ashburn from 9 to 12. And then we have 2 dates in Sterling. Thursday the 5th from 4 to 7 and Saturday the 7th from 3 to 6. I'd love to see you there. I can't wait to share this information with you. I'm so excited. Let's do this.